Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Today I have come with a very interesting video. In this video, you will learn how to increase flowering in your jasmine plant if it's not blooming and keep it blooming. You see this small plant? It is its third time flowering. I have already shared so many tricks, but in this video, I will tell you how to get the maximum flowering of your plant. While growing a plant, we think about its soil, how much sunlight it's getting, and how much water should we give it. But we have to also take care about other things of our plants, such as dust. Dust may affect photosynthesis, respiration, and transpiration. Sometimes dust decreases productivity. Sometimes leaves are covered with dust and it affects the whole plant. So time to time shower your plant and clean your plant's leaf from dust. Okay, now let's come to the main point, which is the food of the plant or the fertilizer of the plant. This is dry banana peel. My mom has added some groundnuts in it. And she has also added some mustard seed. Then she grinded it in the grinder. Now you can give this directly to your plant. Or you can soak it with water and then add some bioenzyme and wait for 7 to 10 days. After 7 to 10 days, you further dilute it with water and give it to your plants. Mustard seed is high in nitrogen and this can promote root growth and plant growth. Groundnut, on the other hand, boosts the growth of fruit, flower, and vegetable. And you already know banana peel fertilizer has phosphorus, potassium, calcium, etc. And it helps your plant to bloom maximum flower. Another trick is after the flowering finishes, you can cut all the branches to encourage new growth. And it will mature your plant and it will be ready for the next flowering. Me and my sister have new adventure every day, so we upload videos like these on Chhoti channel. You can visit our channel by just searching Chhoti. The link is in the description. Hope you enjoyed our video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.